Starting with Almighty name of Allah, who is most merciful and compassionate. The achievements of the new government. With the collapse of the Kabul administration and the rule of the new government across the country, the war in 20 years of occupation in the country ended. On the other hand, with this great change, the country is facing a number of economic problems, and our countrymen have become worried about it. And the most important problems that directly affected the countrymen was the freezing of the currency assets of the Afghanistan Bank by the United States, because of which they faced shortage of cash. And because of this, private banks were unable to pay, but the Bank of Afghanistan and the leadership of the government of Afghanistan as a whole were able to restore the country's banking systems. These problems have been solved, and now, day by day, the banking service in the country are returning to a normal state. Currently, the security in Afghanistan has been fully established, but its economic situation is not the same as the current system demands. But efforts are being made to improve the situation, and the establishment of the Economic Commission under the leadership of the first deputy Mullah Abdul Ghani Biradar is the clear indication that the improvement of the economic situation is the priority of the new government. And the Commission is working with the sector, ministries, institutions, businessmen, and the international community to bring about a positive change in the economic situation of Afghanistan. And a lot of progress has been made in this section. In this section, Afghanistan, trade, inflation, national budget, population and unemployment, economic growth, investment, Afghani value, banking and regional projects were reviewed, and we mostly used the annual statistics of Afghanistan in this section.